Ang tao ay may kakanyahang kumilos sa pisikal na kalagayan, subalit sa kasawiang palad, ang tao ay mangmang. Kung gaano katalino siya na alamin ang kanyang pisikal na panahon, ganun ka siya kamangmang, ganun siya kabobo sa pag-unawa sa espiritual na kapanahunan. Mismo si Jesus ang nagsabi sa Lucas Kapitulo 12 sa talatang 56. Jesus himself said that. In Luke 12, in verse 56, hypocrites, you know how to interpret the appearance of the earth and the sky. How is it that you don't know how to interpret the present time? The people in the time of Jesus, they knew the seasons of their time. They knew if it was winter, they knew if it was summer, they knew if it was springtime, they knew if it was fall. They knew if it was the season to sow, just as they knew also it was the season to plant. They knew the season to harvest, and they knew the times that they must go to war. Sa panahon noon, ang mga hari ng Israelita, ang isa sa mga sikreto ng kanilang matagumpay na military campaign ay sapagkat they knew when to fight wars. But just as man was intelligent and knowledgeable to know the times in the physical realm, but in the spiritual realm, man is ignorant, ignoramus, mangmang at bobo. At dahilan dito, ang mundo ngayon ay namamatay. This is the reason why the world today is dying spiritually, morally, because people do not know the time that God has set for them to save themselves. Kaya dito pumapasok ang banal na kasulatan. The Word of God is always teaching us that today is the day of salvation.